I'm ready to stop renting, but where do I actually start?
The main thing they need to remember when they're a first-time home buyer is that you've got to make a commitment. You need to be at that house for a minimum of 3 years, preferably 5 years or more. You can make money, you can build equity, you can be so much better than just being a rentor. Typically, for a renter, your total mortgage balance with the taxes, the insurance, because you're gonna have to pay taxes, insurance, you're gonna have to pay a mortgage. They call it payments, interest, taxes, and all of that together. It needs to be no more than 1/3 of your gross income. So if you make $4,000 a month, the very most you can afford for your total mortgage, including your taxes and your insurance, okay, should be no more than $1,333 per month. Okay, that boils down to 1/3. That's on the high end. Okay, so be safe about this. A